Got the inlet for the firebox cut out. This is eventually going to be where the smokestack comes out. He's finished grinding off these plugs we had put in. He just finished this one off as well. And we're about ready to put in the reverse flow plate. First of the racks brace in, about to cut the other side, and he's working on closing up that gap there. So even though we're not done yet, I'm doing the first cook on this custom built reverse flow smoker. See, I don't have my handle for my door yet. I've just been propping the splitting maul up against it, and also don't have my official handle on here yet. I've also got to go back and change this strapping material to wider, because it's, when we cut the tank, it had a little bit of spring in it, and it sprung back, so it doesn't set quite right. So I'm gonna thicken this so it covers more of the gasket. I mean, it doesn't leak or anything around it. It just, I don't like the way that looks. There is a small leak on this side back here, just because I can't get the gasket material to go all the way back. Just like I said, because the spring, it just did something weird to it. But got 2 booties and 2 ribs. We'll see how it turns out.